You want transformation, yes? There are 4 areas of transformation and it begins with the number 1 called growth mindset. Ano yung growth mindset? The ability to continuously engage in a space where you're growing. If you want transformation, kailangan mo ma-experience growth mindset all the time, every time. Here's the thing. Pag may growth mindset ka, what tends to be sacrificed? Family time, relationship, minsan health. Importante din pala na pag hindi mo na-recognize yun, growth mindset leads to an experience of what? Marami kang kulang na relationship na hindi na-handle, kaya ang next level mo is to have a clarity around your heart set. Clear heart set. Clear heart set simply means that as I move forward with my life, I actually make sure that hindi ako puno ng mga bagahe. I don't have a lot of baggages. You want legitimate transformation? Kailangan yung health set mo is in order. Why? Pag hindi yan in order, laging ikaw lugi. And lastly, hindi lang pwede puro ito. You need to develop your business set. And business set has something to do with your wealth building capacity. So itong tatlo na ito can help augment a legitimate business set. Na pag meron ka niyan, yung business mo, yung probability na masustain, mas mataas. Transformation will happen if all of these are in place.